Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the Trello project management. All right, so it will be a quick one. First and foremost, make sure that you have the Trello project management. If you don't have it, come to Google Play Store and then search for Trello. Okay, so for those who don't know the Trello project management, it is used to manage projects. For example, I can give you an example. If at all I am a freelancer from Upwork and I've hired a person to work for me, what I'll do is to open up my Trello, okay, and then tap on create board. Once I tap on create board, I'll name it anything I want. So I'll name this board the name of my YouTube channel. Okay, maybe my YouTube channel is called how to, okay, and then I'll make the visibility public, and then I'll add a background to my project. Okay, so I'll choose one background here, I'll choose one here, okay, and then create the board. So once I create the board, once I hire a client, I'll just come and then add them over here to the list. Maybe I have hired John, okay, I'll add John, and then I'll assign John some work to do. For example, I'll assign John a topic to do. I'll say, John, you have to do for me this topic, which is how to block someone on WhatsApp. Okay, maybe this is a topic I want. Then I'll just create it there and then tap on that tick, and that is the assignment I've given to John. So once John finishes this topic, he'll come over here and then put for me the video there, and then also the thumbnail, and then I'll be able to see John's work. So that's how to use the Trello project management. Thank you for watching, guys. We shall meet once again.